Perhaps the greatest challenge in solar energy today is reducing the cost. As talked about in a previous discussion, the cost of solar energy can be anywhere from 3 to 6 times that of more conventional energy sources like nuclear or coal. So in order for solar to break out of its niche market, the cost has to come down. The dominant material, or the dominant solar cell in production today, is a crystalline silicon solar cell. It looks something like this. It's a simple blue device, and it's made from a silicon wafer, the same kind that are used in the microelectronics industry. Unfortunately, those silicon wafers can be very expensive. And so in order to make solar cells more affordable, there's sort of two focuses. The first is trying to make devices from new materials that are less expensive or can be processed in a manner that's less expensive. For example, dye-sensitized solar cells have achieved efficiencies of 11% in the laboratory and are just now making it into the commercial market. The thought is that the processing methods used in dye-sensitized solar cells will allow their cost to be much lower than that of silicon. Similarly, polymer solar cells are trying to reduce the cost. In terms of more traditional devices like crystalline silicon solar cells, manufacturers are working on ways to lower the cost of the silicon wafers, whether it's using wafers that are not quite as pure or finding ways to process them that can decrease their cost. So with these different works, different kinds of innovation, it's hoped that the cost of solar energy will come down in the future.